Welcome back to the IT Fundamental course. In today's lesson, we will learn about the CPU, one of the most important components inside a computer. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is often called the brain of the computer because it performs most of the processing and decision making tasks inside the computer. The CPU processes instructions from softwares and perform calculations. Whenever you open an application, browse the internet, or play a game, the CPU is working behind the scenes. Now let's look at this simple picture and try to understand how CPU actually works. CPU follows a simple process. First, it receives instructions, then it processes the information and perform calculations. Finally, it sends the result to other components of the computer. The CPU performs millions of operations every second. CPU does not work alone. It works closely with RAM, storage devices, and input and output devices. Together, these components allow the computer to function efficiently. Modern CPUs have multiple cores. They are single core, dual core, quad core, and multi core. Cores allow computers to handle multiple tasks more efficiently, and how many tasks a CPU can handle simultaneously is defined by the cores of CPU. Now, let's look at this real life example and see how the CPU actually works. To understand the CPU, imagine a chef in the restaurant kitchen. The chef receives order, prepare the meals, and deliver the finished dishes. Similarly, the CPU receives instructions, processes data, and produces results. Let's review today's lesson. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It processes instructions, performs calculations, and works with other hardware components to make the computer operate. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson where we will learn about random access memory or RAM. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.